Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to upload guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys infinix on my phone find my device setting guys, how can we disable it. Friends, you don't want to use guys infinix on my phone find my device setting, so how can you disable today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we disable guys infinix phone my phone find my device setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it, and once you can see this tab of setting. So once you can see infinix at this phone security setting, we will tap here to disable find my device. So friends, you can see the third option is find my device setting, we will tap here. Friends, you can see find my device is on means enable. Guys, you don't want to use guys, we will tap here to disable it. After disable guys, you can see we cannot use this find my device setting guys. Turn off find my device so you can't find lock and reset this device it if it lost. So like that guys, you can disable it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.